how to remove someone from Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you are the meeting host, then you have the right to remove someone. So, I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Head over to your Google Chrome and then open up the Google Meet. Now go to the people like icon in the right hand side and then find the person that you want to remove and then tap on the three dots and then you can see remove from call option. Just tap on it and the person will be removed. You can even fill out an abuse report or block from this call if you want to. And then that's it. It's as simple as that to remove someone from the Google Meet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.